Ready, start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 3/1/2022 passed by the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, New Delhi, hereinafter referred to as the National Commission, in revision petition number 4677 of 2013, by which in a revision petition preferred by the appellants herein dash original respondents, the National Commission has enhanced the amount of compensation from rupees 1 lakh awarded by the district forum to rupees 10 lakhs, the original respondents have preferred the present appeal. Stop para. The issue involved in the present appeal is in a very narrow compass, the facts leading to the present appeal in nutshell are as under. The respondent herein, the original complainant, a minor filed a consumer complaint before the district forum through her father alleging medical negligence against the appellants herein, who suffered from wrong diagnosis and wrong treatment, which led to rashes on her body, and which become beyond control. Stop. It was alleged that the doctor, who treated her was a BAMS within bracket Ayurveda doctor and was not competent to prescribe allopathic medicines, which amounts to medical negligence. Stop para. The district forum, by order dated 11/3/2010, directed the appellants to pay an amount of rupees 1 lakh along with interest at the rate of 9% from the date of order, holding that there was a negligence on the part of the appellants. Stop para. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order passed by the district forum, the appellants preferred an appeal before the State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, Punjab, hereinafter referred to as State Commission. Stop. At this stage, it is required to be noted that as far as the original complainant is concerned, it is an admitted position that the original complainant did not prefer any appeal before the State Commission to enhance the amount of compensation, and it was the appellants, who preferred the appeal before the State Commission. Stop. The State Commission dismissed the said appeal with cost of rupees 10,000. Stop para. Being aggrieved by the judgment and order passed by the State Commission dismissing the appeal and confirming the order passed by the district forum awarding a sum of rupees 1 lakh towards the compensation, it was the appellants, who preferred the revision petition application before the National Commission. Stop para. While dismissing the revision petition application preferred by the appellants herein, the National Commission has enhanced the amount of compensation to rupees 10 lakhs. Stop. Being aggrieved by the order passed by the National Commission enhancing the amount of compensation to rupees 10 lakhs, that too, in revision petition application preferred by the appellants, the original appellants have preferred the present appeal. Stop para. Sri Gopal Shankar Narayan, the learned senior advocate, has appeared on behalf of the appellants, and Sri K.K. Mohan, learned counsel, has appeared on behalf of the respondent original complainant. Stop para. Sri Gopal Shankar Narayan, learned senior advocate, appearing on behalf of the appellants, has assailed the findings recorded by the district forum, confirmed by the State Commission and the National Commission, on the negligence held to be proved on the part of the appellants. Stop. However, as there are concurrent findings recorded by the district forum, the state commission and the national commission on the negligence on the part of the appellants, we see no reason to interfere with the said finding of facts in exercise of powers under Article 136 of the Constitution of India.